We got a 17 Pro Max that we're gonna fix today. Let's turn it off. So always take out the 2 screws on the side first. So on 17 Pros, I always like to put a little bit of alcohol around it when I'm heating it, because they are super sealed. They use that white strip around them. Now we gotta remove these little screws on there. Now we have to clean the glue around it so it's ready to be installed. Now we do have to transfer this part. Everything is working good. Let's put it back together. And yeah, there you go. It's ready. Thank you.